Mo? What have, Brown Bear? What have? Is that your new treat? Because you've been such a good boy? Mo? Do you have anything in your brain right now? Do you have anything in your brain right now? I know there's something in your yippies. I'm asking if you have anything in your brains. You can't remember? Well, that's okay. That's okay because you're cute. Because you're cute. Mo Scadio. Can I see? You don't think you want to share? Momo. Can you smile so mommy can look? Can I look, baby? Oh my goodness. Have you ever seen such a handsome brown bear? Have you ever seen someone so handsome? Because I haven't.